Hi guys, got some colour correctors to show you. So basically got most of my makeup done, most of my base done. I haven't got any kind of concealer or colour corrector on because I wanted to show you. So I've got these from Bobbi Brown. They're not new, but they're new to me. So I've got 3 shades here. I have got Bisque, which has got a bit of a pink undertone. You see, like that. Then I've got Peach Bisque, which is obviously like a peachy, pinky one. I've got Peach. So can you see? So I've got the Bisque there, Peach Bisque, and then the Peach. So I definitely think, like, with my colouring, I think the Peach is definitely a good match. I have tried these two actually, and it just looks a little bit ashy under my eyes, so I prefer to go for the Peach, which colour corrects really well. So this is the Peach one we're going to go in with, and you'll see even without concealer, this covers the under eye darkness really well. Can you see that? It's a massive difference. So I could literally just put this on, pop this on if I was having like a no makeup day, or someone just popped around really quickly, or I've got to pop out and I don't want to have like massive dark circles under my eyes. That's made a massive difference. Now if I just add some concealer, so I'm going to take the full cover concealer, and this is the shade Honey. You can already see that's making a massive difference. I'm just going to blend it out with a beauty sponge, and that has instantly like just brightened that whole under eye area. It's just lifted my whole face, our makeup look. Quickly do the other side now. And that is the concealer done. I want to just do the rest of my makeup just so you can see the finished look. But can you see it doesn't look ashy under my eyes? Take a bit of this powder in Soft Honey just to kind of set that under my eyes. It's really nice translucent powder, so it doesn't kind of interfere with the colour. I'm going to do the rest of my makeup and then you can see the whole kind of finished look with the concealer. So that's the finished look, and as you can see, it doesn't look ashy under my eyes at all. I just wanted to show you another colour corrector, one that you can kind of wear by itself. You don't have to wear concealer on top. You can just cover the darkness under my eyes without concealer, but obviously you can wear concealer on top. But it's just like a nice quick creamy alternative to the one that I'm not going to name, but we have all kind of lost, and we need to kind of start to look for alternatives. So yeah, I hope you like this video and this colour corrector. I will speak to you guys soon.